everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's the end of the day and I decided to share with you my current nighttime skincare routine. Now before we get into today's video, if you enjoy videos like this, you can let me know by clicking that like button, and if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get into it. In case you are new here, I have combination skin, and typically this time of year I struggle with really dry skin. And as always, if you are interested in learning more about any of the products I talk about today, I will have them linked in the description box below. So the first thing I do is remove my makeup. And I have been loving the Dioma by Sharon C cleansing oil. Not sure if I said that right. Now this actually made it to my 2021 faves. I actually tested out quite a few cleansing oils and cleansing balms this past year, and this was definitely my favorite. It's affordable, it glides on the skin super easily, and it removes all of my makeup. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a video on all the makeup cleansers I used this past year. Now next, I cleaned my skin with the Esonox LX New Nourishing Cleanser from Avon. This is another 2021 fave, and just like I said in that video, Avon really knocked this cleanser collection out of the park. Unlike many other cleansers that I've used, these do not dry out my skin. Even the gel cleanser one that I used in the summertime. I strongly believe that this product is one of the main reasons why my skin has been so healthy. Now, what I do is I will use the Real Techniques cleansing sponge, and I will use the rougher part to spread out the cleanser, and then I will use the softer part to wipe away and clean my skin. I am one that does not really like splashing water into my face, so I've been really enjoying this new addition to my skincare routine. So I just took a quick shower and I feel a lot better now. Next, I go in with the Esonox New Clinical Revitalize and Reveal Intensive Peel. I typically only use this once, maybe twice a month when I want to basically give my skin a fresh start. Like after I've had my period, or if I was just testing out a lot of new products that week. It's formulated with AHAs and PHAs, so it's really strong. All I do is apply 2 pumps worth all over my face and primarily focus it on my cheeks and forehead area. I just let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then after that I will wipe it off with water. If you're looking for an exfoliant to give your skin a fresh start, this is a great choice. You'll definitely notice a difference after the first time you use it. I will admit, at first I didn't like this, but I realized I had to work my way up to it. I started leaving it on for 2 or 3 minutes, and then each time I used it, I would slowly work my way up to the 10 minutes. And honestly, I wouldn't use it more than once a week. But once you figure out the right amount, it is so worth it. I apologize, but I had to switch to hair tie. The towel kept moving around on my head. Now we're going to move on to toner, and I'm going to use 2 products, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Toner and Avon's Esonox Clinical Booster Pore Perfector. What I do is I will put both products in my hand, rub it together, and then tap it into my skin. They both contain BHA, which is going to clear out your pores, and PHA, which is going to help remove dead skin cells. And that's going to give you smoother, brighter looking skin. Ever since I started doing this, I noticed a dramatic difference in my pores as well as a more even, brighter looking skin. These are both great products on their own, but I'm telling you, when they are together, ooh, it's even better. One staple in my routine all year is the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Eye Cream. It's formulated with peptides, caffeine, and hyaluronic acid to give me everything that I need for my eye area. It fights dark under eye circles, puffiness, and fine lines and wrinkles. Since I added this to my skincare routine last year, I noticed my skin looks and feels healthier and younger looking. Even my eye makeup looks better. So since tonight I was focusing on giving my skin a fresh start, I applied the Glow Recipe Avocado Sleep Mask for your eyes. It's formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, niacinamide, and coffee berry to even out skin tone, as well as give firm, hydrate, and depuff skin. It's a thicker consistency, but a little does go a long way. I use this maybe 1 or 2 times a week to give my skin around my eyes a little boost. Now, once again, I'm going to be using two products. The first one I'm going to be using is the Ordinary Retinol 0.5% with squalene. And then I go in with the Esonox LX New Platinum Sculpting Serum. Now, I only apply the retinol at night, no more than 2 times a week. I actually grabbed this back in my Ulta haul last spring to give a little boost to my skincare routine as I am approaching 40 and want to minimize those signs of aging. With the platinum serum, I actually use this every night, and this has been in my skincare routine for at least 6 months now. This too is designed to help signs of aging, especially with giving you firmer, more lifted skin and minimizing those fine lines and wrinkles. So the last few months I've been using Belief Moisturizing Balm as my nighttime moisturizer. If you've seen any of my other skincare videos, then you know how much I love the Aqua Balm. But with it being winter and knowing how bad my skin struggles with hydration, I thought I'd give this a try. It is thicker and it's a cream compared to the Aqua Balm being more of a gel. But I will say I am really enjoying this. It's still lightweight and I can feel my skin soaking up the hydration. So now I'm going to apply the Believe Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. I love using this on nights when my skin is super dry or whenever I use strong exfoliants or retinol like I did tonight. The number one focus of my skincare routine is to keep it hydrated. I've noticed ever since I've been doing this, my skin has been looking its best. Even when I have like my monthly breakouts, they're not that bad and they go away so much quicker. That just goes to show you how important it is to maintain your skin's hydration. So, what I'm doing now is I'm actually massaging my face, basically getting my blood flowing, and I then finish off my skincare routine with Cerafine lip mask. I just pump a little onto my index finger and apply it all over my lips. This helps keep my lips hydrated. As you can imagine, living in Massachusetts, chapped lips in the wintertime is a given. That is my current nighttime skincare routine. I would love to hear what your favorite winter skincare products are, and let me know if you used any of the products I talked about today. If you enjoyed today's video, you can let me know by clicking that like button, and if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Do feel free to check out any of my other videos you see here on the screen. If not, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, bye.